I have been using Philips Sonicare toothbrushes for over 20 years. I have tried all of them. I love them so much. And this 5300 is really the sweet spot. Unlike the lower models that aren't very strong, this has a lot of power and it still has a lot of the options the fancier versions have while still being in a mid price point. Now, before showing you everything this toothbrush can do, I want to show you what comes in the box. You get the G2 toothbrush head. This is specifically for gum care. Really nice focused toothbrush head. And yes, this dark line here does fade. And once it's fully faded, that means you need to switch it out. And the toothbrush also will alert you when it's time to switch it as well. In addition, you get two W diamond clean heads. These are fantastic for whitening. Philips has some pretty strong clinical studies and commitments to how quickly these can whiten your teeth. Much sturdier in the middle, fantastic toothbrush heads. And I love that it comes with a standard plug-in charger. Some of the other models have switched over to USB-A cords at the end, and I have to say that I like the good old standard. And finally, I love that it comes with a hard case. Not all the Philips Sonicare toothbrushes do, and this makes it really easy to travel as your toothbrush will stay well protected inside this hard case. As for the toothbrush itself, it has really fantastic battery life. You can see down here the light for battery. This would light up if it wanted you to switch over the toothbrush head. And then it comes with 3 modes: clean, white, and gum care. And you can switch through the modes by hitting this button right here. Clean mode is your standard 2-minute mode. It will buzz every 30 seconds to tell you to switch quadrants. White is a little longer. It's a 2-minute 30-second mode. And it's meant for that final 30 seconds to really be focused on your front teeth. And it does vibrate differently, specifically for whitening. And then gum care mode is more gentle, and it's a 3-minute mode focused on your gums. And to turn it on, you just press the button. Now, one of the things you'll find with some of the lower end models is when you push really hard, they'll actually stop working because they don't want you to press so hard on your teeth. This one instead will start doing a bumpy vibration when it tells you that you're pushing too hard and you need to ease up a little bit, but it doesn't stop, which I really like because sometimes I really do want to press harder and this toothbrush won't stop me. And one heads up is that when you get this toothbrush, it's going to start in easy start mode, which means it will slowly ease up in power over your first 14 brushes, and you can turn that off if you want to. I always do, as I always question why it's doing that to me, especially since I've used Sonicare for so long. But if you're new to Sonicare toothbrushes, definitely start with the easy start, and past that, this is a fantastic toothbrush. I cannot recommend it enough. I know you'll love it.